Medicare open enrollment is October 15th to December 7th. And during this time, you can change plans using our online plan recommendation tool. The plan recommendation tool can make it easy to shop, compare plans, and decide if you want to keep your existing plan or enroll in a new one. Here's how. Beginning October 15th, log into your Aon account. Then go to your current coverage, which shows you which plans you're currently enrolled in. In this video, we'll shop and compare prescription drug plans. Click Compare 2022 Coverage. Next, you'll be asked to update your prescription drugs. If you were looking for medical plans, you'd also be asked to update your doctor's and healthcare profile. Make sure this information is accurate so we can find plans that fit your specific needs. Now you can compare your current plan with coverage options for next year. Your current plan is on the left and shows next year's premium and estimated out-of-pocket costs. Each plan has a score based on cost and coverage. The higher the score, the better the match. We may have found other plans that better match your needs based on the information you provided. You can view more details about each plan, compare plans side by side, and see which plan is the best option for you. If you want to keep your current plan and it's still available next year, you don't have to do anything. You'll be automatically enrolled. If you want to switch to a new plan, add the plan to your cart and start the enrollment process. Just follow the instructions, and when you submit your application, it'll be sent to the insurance company for review. That's it. No need to call or make an appointment. Comparing plans and enrolling online can be easy with Aon's plan recommendation tool. Try it today.